Hello everybody and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In today's video we're going to be pimping out my gaming chair with some new rims. We're going from this to this. These are the Stealtho patented replacement office or gaming chair caster wheels which feature a clean and fresh blue and black design. The wheels are designed to fit on any standard office or gaming chair, well that is with the exception of IKEA chairs, as the Swedish do like to make things difficult sometimes. Anyway, in the box we have 5 wheels, 2 of which feature brake pedals, but all of which have a universal stem, steel frame, ABEC 9 bearings and elastic polyurethane for a quiet and smooth roll, and apparently also glow in the dark, to make all your friends with standard wheels jealous, or at least something like that. The wheels are designed so that they won't mark, scratch or snag your flooring, as well as maintaining the blue colour even after long-term usage. However, this was going to be quite the test for these wheels, as my autonomous Ergo Chair 2 wheels have been fantastic so far. Taking a closer look at the Stealtho wheels, we can see that they look quite heavy duty, and they feel it too. They weigh quite a lot, especially when compared with the current plastic wheels that I'm using now. The bearing on the wheels is very solid but somewhat cumbersome, which made me wonder how it would perform when actually attached to the chair. The elastic polyurethane wheel material feels pretty durable and would definitely work best on hard or smooth flooring, but I'm going to be testing it out on a thin carpet. I'm somewhat biased towards blue, but I have to admit I don't often notice my chair's wheels, so this won't be a big deal for a lot of people. Comparing the Stealtho wheels to my autonomous Ergo Chair 2 wheels, we can see quite a few design differences. The autonomous wheels feature 2 plastic turning segments to allow for a much smoother on-the-spot turning experience. It also features a much lighter bearing than with the Stealtho wheels. This made me a little concerned about the turning performance of the Stealtho wheels due to its weight and single-wheeled design. In a quick test I did, the wheels worked very smoothly and turned fairly easily, but unfortunately this was not the case when used in conjunction with the other 4 wheels. We'll talk about that more thoroughly in a moment, but first to get all of the wheels attached to the chair. Thanks to the standard fitting, this was as easy as you'd hope it would be. Simply pull the old wheels out and stick the new ones in. Job done. Another small issue I had was when the wheels were in a locked position, it would knock against the base, although this shouldn't really be an issue as you won't be moving around when they're locked anyway. So in my experience, and after a few weeks of using these wheels, I found them to be decent at best but far from perfect. The rolling was quiet and smooth as expected, but I did find some directional changes somewhat difficult, especially when compared with the autonomous wheels which did this with ease. For about $50 I think they'd only be worth the change if your current wheels are either faulty or performing badly in general. However, saying that, I really do like their design, and if you want your chair to stand out from the crowd, you can definitely do that with the Stealtho wheels. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider dropping a like and comment down below. I'd like to invite you all to join the Discord server to talk about all things tech and gaming, as well as to participate in an amazing upcoming giveaway in conjunction with LG. The link is down below.